All right, this is the next one, the last one of the day. A very interesting and effective way to fish. And this is coming via Reddit. This is coming via, what is this? Be Amazed on Reddit. And 11.8 thousand upvotes. Play it. It's a video, Will. You will not play it. Give a refresh on that. It's, there you go. So check this out. It's baskets. And all you do, you use the fishing rod to hang the fish over the top of a center cylinder leading up to what looks like a wicker basket.
Uh-huh.
Now, the bait fish, which is hanging over top the hole, is actually able to attract the black eel-like looking, I don't know, is that a catfish or whatever, to come up the center cylinder in an attempt to catch the bait fish and then land itself inside the wicker basket.
Wow.
And the dude just walked off. The fisherman just leaves his 3 baskets there, and they just fill themselves up completely.
Cool.
Can you look at how easily they come up that channel? It's incredible. So efficient.
Takes teach a man to fish at a whole new level.
Well, there you go.
You know?
Wow, Willie Doo bringing the wisdom.
That's impressive.
Bringing the wisdom on a Monday.
Look at that. You could feed like a...
Now, in order for
Definitely
this
his
to
whole
work,
family with that.
you're going to need to be in a stream with a high concentration of fish, right?
Sure.
Like this guy knows the type of stream he's about to hit, for sure. But it is incredible to watch these fish slither up this center column in an attempt to catch this bait. I think it's an eel of some kind. What do you think that fish he's catching?
Yeah.
Some kind of eel, isn't it?
It's really long. It looks like a catfish.
Yeah, but it almost looks like it doesn't have a tail quite. Like it's almost like the same. Anyway.
It's a hungry fish. That's what it is.